Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kishore Kumar, and today we are going to learn how to install Elastic Agent on your server. So for that, first of all, log in into your Elastic from Kibana. I have already logged into my Elastic Cloud. So just go click on burger icon and go to the fleet. Okay, and after going to fleet, just click on here add agent, and agent is like a pre-built package to collect the logs from your host machine and matrices, and it has a multiple type of beats, ordered beats and metric beat as well as heartbeat. This is a combination which performs to collect the data of all types, mostly all types. Okay, so this is just a cover package that we are installing. I mean, after this installation, let's do it first. So to add the agent, you have to create a policy for that. That the policy is like creating a rule that what this agent needs to perform, what it will be doing, what are the responsibility of this agent. Okay. So to do that, we are going to create a work policy or called agent policy. Click on create policy. Whatever the name you have to give, you can edit it here. I will just leave as default. So what it will be performing, it will collect the system logs and matrices. Okay. And if you want to provide any namespace or any custom field or optional description that you can give here. So I will just click on create policy. After that, you can click on create policy. Okay. It will create a policy for that agent or means uh, policy, rule policy or tasks that it for in our local term that we can call it. It's the role being assigned to the particular person. Like if a new person joined the team as a DevOps, then what are the tasks for it? And that we are creating a policy for that. He will be performing this task in this company or in this team. Okay. The same way we are saying that this agent is going to be this is going to perform these policies, and it is only bounded to this policy. Okay. We can change the policy whenever need, but for the current setup that we are assigning, this is the policy. So the policy has been created for this agent now, and we will leave as it is default. It will be enrolled in the fleet. It is a recommended method, and you can deploy as it is standalone. So it is not centrally managed from UI. But right now, as we are enrolling from fleet, so it will be managed from or Kibana UI. Okay, but in standalone, you have to go to the machine and change the YAML and etc. Okay, and then in fleet, it is easier to update the agents as well. In a standalone, it's a little bit hard because it's you have to go to the server and download the package and do the other stuff as well. Okay, for that we will learn that as well in the future videos, but for now let's go to the install elastic agent on your host. Okay, for that I will reset the size for you. Just go to the, you see, for agent policy it should be root privileges required. So we have to click on, we have to just copy these commands according to our server. Right now we have Ubuntu server, so we can copy the Linux tar. If you have a RPM, you just always select the tar. That's the best thing. Okay, but if you want to be specific, then you can select for the RPM or Debian package or according to your machine that you can. Okay, so you can see the tar is automatically recommended for RPM or Debian because they provide the ability to upgrade the agent with the fleet. Okay, so we always recommend the tar. It is easier to upgrade from the fleet. In Kubernetes, you have to just select the Kubernetes. It will give you the instruction as well as the YAML. Okay, sorry, yeah, YAML, and that you have to that you just need to copy uh, from here and just apply. And I believe I have seen somewhere that the resources thing needs to be removed. Let me see if I can find it. volumes, okay. Resource limit, you see. So you have to remove these resources if your agent is not successfully enrolling or it is not perfectly working. Okay. So let me go back to the, yeah, here, and just select the Linux star. And if you are like working with production, it is not running the all commands at once, so you have to just copy one by one. But in Debian or any version, you just click on the copy here, and we will select our server. We just copy here, paste it here, and just enter. So it will download the package as well as for us, and then it will start installing the agent as well for us. You see, it's also extracting all the YAMLs and modules, all of the things. You see, license tags and everything. So now, if you can see it is prompting us to ask like, should I install that this agent will be installed at this directory, OPT Elastic agent, and will be run as a service. Do you want to continue? I will say yes. Press Y for that and hit enter. So now it will start copying the files, and it will enroll the agent for us. You can see the service has started, and from here it is waiting for enrollment. You can see this log is generated, and we have successfully enrolled the agent, as you can see. And it's done now. Elastic is done. So for checking, I believe so. If I'm not wrong, sudo elastic agent status. Yeah, you see, the elastic fleet is connected. Elastic agent is healthy. For uninstalling, you have to go to and you have to type the uninstall command in the directory. I will paste it there uh, in the description of this video. So now let's test the data. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you see our agent is enrolled. Enrollment, we have confirmed that our agent has been enrolled successfully, and we can also click here and view that. But right now we will see if this part is done or not. You can see data is coming to the elastic and it is being confirmed. If we close it, we will see our agent is enrolled here, and if we click on it, it will give us that our matrices are being collected, and you after few minutes you will see the data like does this, like you see the CPU has been calculated, the data is coming. We can see this. If we want to uh, if you want to view more, just click on view here. You will be redirected to a dashboard of the elastic agent, where you can easily find the matrices of the system of this particular agent, and you can easily view all the data related to that we are seeing the data or not. Let's see. And you can see this is our host, and we have installed the agent today, and we have received 5 components, 15 data sets. And if we scroll down, that we are receiving CPU usage as well as component latency, etc. All the meters are. This is the beautiful dashboard that will be pre-built for you, and you can easily view it. Okay. And next thing, yeah, you can like figure out more about it. Open handles, how many elastic agent, what are the things are running right now, how many like threads are being handled. These are all, this is a queue, how much memory is being, how much queue is being utilized, and all the things, CPU throttling, everything you will be like this is the CPU C group memory usage. And let's now go to the discover, and we'll copy the agent ID first from here, and just go to the click on here, go to the discover. If you want to use the logs, and we cannot load, okay, no worries, maybe some issue. My internet is little broke. Let me see. Yep, maybe possibly, yeah. So if I go to the discover, see the logs of this particular agent. Not a big deal. Yeah. So that will be it for today's session. Let me go to the Discover. I am like right now my video may be on. So yeah. So you can see all the logs are coming, but if we filter out that agent, if I we have also two fields like Elastic agent, you can see this field and just or if you want to type it, then you can just type Elastic. You will see this as well. And if you type it, you will see a multiple ID, but we have this one ID. This is our agent that we are looking for. Okay, the host agent that we have installed. Elastic agent on the host, sorry. Yep. So this is installed and you can see this agent is being installed. The second thing that we are going to monitor, you can see this too much spike in this. So how do we monitor this and what kind of spike it is? So let's go to this. Go to for first. Let's see more detail about it. So we have seen the host name, but let me see what is the host name that we are receiving. So to do that, just from here you have to just select the host and just dot and name. You see host name field is there. So if I click on it, it will give me the top 5 videos that we are receiving. You see host one only. Okay, and this is a multi field, as you can see host dot name dot text as well as keyword. So now if I want to add this in the table, then if just I will just hide this chart that is shown here for a moment. And if I want to see the table, then I just click on here. It will be added here. Okay, the same way if I want to see the url dot path or url dot full, then I will click on here. It will be now visible. And if I want to filter this, I want to filter out this. I don't want to see the dashes. Then I will just hover over it and click on minus. It will be filtered out. Data will be filtered out. It will say filter will exist. Okay. I just delete this and let me add something more. Let me see CPU. Yeah, CPU. Let me click on here and see what are the results available. Did you see that? Let me remove these folds. Okay. For removing, just go here, hover over there, and just on these three dots against the field name, just click on remove. You can also sort this according to your need and edit as well, but I will remove it. So all the logs now clear. Let me grab this and see what values we are seeing. We can see okay, second value what we have. I mean, we are receiving only one value, so yeah, from what we are receiving this, that's important. Process ID. So I will say process ID. How many process ID? Process ID one one one. So sometimes it's one, sometimes it's not. Okay. So if you want to filter this all the one record or the process ID one record, then all the records which contains the process ID one, then just click on hover over here, click on filter. So it will also filter for you. But if you want to exclude these results, then just click on right click on it and click on exclude. It will give the records which does not contain this. As well as if you want to disable this, then you can just disable all the records will be again back. And if you want to delete, then click on delete. And if you don't want to filter from here, you can type the equal query or just create a filter from here as well. The field name as well as the operator that you are going to utilize is not or is one of or exist or does not exist. If I'm selecting this one, I will say not this. That will give me the records which does not contain this value. Okay, and you can always easily disable this one as well. So that's was the agent installation and the confirmation of it. But if you want to replace, I want to see why the spike was there. Okay, you can just click on here. It will be filter out the data for us and it will give the records which contain this. I will remove this one. So let's see why this spike was there. But to do that, just click on burger. icon. And if we click on machine learning, there is right now machine learning is enabled. So yeah, and if I go to the scroll down, just click on log rate analysis and select the logs, and you see just useful data for the moment. Maybe here, click on here, and you can see it will give the what was the highest process which we have received. This is the one, okay. And but I believe I have done something wrong. Let me see last 15 minutes. Yeah, this is it. Yep. Let me go to the machine learning again. Possible, yeah. Log rate analysis. Metrics here. No, the log rate only, logs only. Sorry. Yep. So if you click on this one, and it will analyze for us as well. It will give us the most received logs we have and their count as well. So which one is creating run analysis as well? It will give the same thing. This is the host that we are receiving the value from. And if I click on use full data and reset it, yep, still we are receiving the same. So yeah, and other is log pattern analysis. It will be also same mostly, in which we have to select the field. It will run the pattern analysis, like same mostly same kind of pattern that we are receiving and their count. It will analyze the logs according to the pattern that we are seeing. Like this is the logs which are having about this is the number of counts, the unique patterns. This we will learn in the next video as well. So don't worry. So that was it for us today. Thank you for joining me. And that's it. Let me close this session for you. Yeah. And hopefully you have enjoyed my video. So if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe. And do not forget to share with your colleague as well. This is the most important videos that I will be sharing. As I have a very limited time, so I will try to be more active and share you these kind of videos, help you in the yeah. Thank you so much.